Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Turbo token on Binance. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and also I'm going to leave a $100 bonus link to Binance when you sign up through my link in the description below. Now, to find Turbo, you can either go ahead here and search at the top, or you can go to wallets and from overview go to spot. From here, you will see a search bar right there where you can go ahead and search for Turbo and you're gonna find it. Now, as it was listed recently, what you can do with it is go ahead and deposit it from somewhere. You can buy it with euros or with some other currency. Choose your currency and buy it with, for example, Apple Pay. Or you can go ahead and buy it with USDT. So you can go on spot right there, enter the amount of Turbo you want to go ahead and buy. And after that, you're going to click buy Turbo. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.